Hey everybody, Joel here. So in today's video, we're going to unbox Ooni Karu 12 multi-fuel oven. It's a pizza oven. And my wife and I had been looking for probably about the past 8 months for one of these. It's just a tabletop pizza oven. And we're going to get it ready to go here. We're going to use it this weekend. It's New Year's weekend, and we thought it'd be fun to make some homemade pizzas in our pizza oven on New Year's Eve. So why don't you hang out for the ride, hit the like and subscribe too if you would, and have a look-see. So just starting off here, you can see, like I had said, it's the Ooni Karu 12 multi-fuel pizza oven. Quite the body, it's got quite the flair, nice look to it. Flame cooked pizza in just 60 seconds. And heats to an incredible temperatures, 500 Celsius. Or 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty specific on the Fahrenheit temperature there, 932. I suppose that's the conversion from 500 Celsius. Ready to cook in 15 minutes. So again, this is a multi-fuel, so we have some charcoal briquettes and we also have some wood blocks. So that's a pretty fancy box. We'll go ahead and get it opened up here. I did pop it open. My wife Lori wanted to look at the instruction sheet yesterday, so we did open that. It came in this with the stone. The stone is in this padded container, which is fantastic. You can see that. It's a little up close shot. But I'll get this all taken apart here, and we'll start assembling the legs and the chimney. So kudos to Ooni on how they pack their pizza ovens. Everything is wrapped in this nice plastic. Very good solid foam core wrapped in it. Here's some more of the plastic bag. They've got boxes, they've got empty boxes. There's the front door right there. I'm assuming the legs are in this box here. And in this one, I'm assuming, oh, that's probably the stovepipe actually. That one over there is probably the stovepipe. Here's something we picked up, these little tumbleweeds, fire starters. The guy at the store said those work really well for getting the charcoal going. You absolutely do not want to use any lighter fluid on these. So, okay, here you can see this is the back. I believe this is the back cover. And then that's the grate down in there for inside the back where fire is. So I'll keep going along here and we'll see if we can't get this put together. So I do have to say this is pretty slick. I didn't know where the legs would be. But here I'll show you. There's the nameplate real quick. So you can get a peek at the specifications if you want. That's just on the bottom. Looks like it hangs on the bottom from a little chain. But these legs, they're already pre-assembled and they just fold right back. How slick is that? Very nice. So there you have it. All folded up and ready to go. I'll flip it over and set it on the counter here. We can get a better look at it. The instruction manual is perfect. It's all pictures. I may even take some time and color these. It's just like a coloring book. Yeah, fold down the legs, insert the burner tray and the grate. So we did that. That is in the back here. Sorry for the lighting. And I'll show you from the front. I also showed how to insert the stone. You just slide the stone right in. And to insert the chimney has a cap on it. This cap, I believe, will also go if you change this to a gas-fired, which you can. They have an accessory that will allow that to come into the back here and mount a burner. And there's an Allen wrench on the bottom that allows for the quick installation of that. So again, there's the instruction manual. Very simple. Slide the stone in, insert the chimney, bing bang boom. They're not kidding, 15 minutes and this thing is ready to burn. So we'll put the front door on here. It just slides right into place. and we will be ready to do some cooking. All right, so I want to show the tag also. Just left that hanging under here by the little chain. I'm assuming that's got to stay on there. It's got all the warnings and everything on it, so we'll just leave that attached. But anyways, that's the unboxing and assembly of the Ooni Karu 12. Thank you for watching. I will do a video on the first cook, or the first pizza bake. That'll be in a couple of days, and it'll be fun because it's going to be about 15 to 20 below zero out when we do it. So yeah, that's going to be a great time. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.